Hello students, and now we are going to see the sixth question. Find the equation of the lines passing through the point of intersection lines 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. And the first subdivision is through the point minus 1 comma 2. Second subdivision is parallel to x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So first the given thing is we need to find the equation of the line, and it passes through the point of intersection of this line 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so let us first find the point of intersection. Okay, to find the point of intersection. Okay, so for that we are considering that 4x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and then 5x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so we need to solve these two equations. So let us rewrite this as 4x minus y is equal to minus 3, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 7. I am naming this as 1 and this as 2. Okay, so I need to cancel either one variable. So let me multiply the first equation by 2 since we are having 2 in that the second equation. So you will be getting 4x 8x. You are getting 8x minus 2y which is equal to minus 6, and then equation 2 that implies I am taking 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 7. Okay, so you can cancel this and this. So 5 plus 8 is 13x and here it is minus 13. Okay, so from this you got x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now let us substitute this value in equation 1. Okay, so substitute in 1. So what you will get, minus 4 minus y is equal to minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So you are getting minus y is equal to 1. So from this y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so the point of intersection, therefore the point of intersection is minus 1 comma minus 1. So you got the point of intersection. Okay, so now we have to go to the first subdivision. So first subdivision through the point minus 1 comma 2. So we need to find the equation of the line which passes through this point of intersection and through the point. So we are taking x1 comma y1 to be minus 1 comma minus 1 and x2 comma y2 to be minus 1 comma 2. Okay, so then what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line will be what? Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, which is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so here itself will substitute. So y minus, what is y1? y1 is minus 1. So y plus 1 divided by y2 is 2. Okay, 2 and then minus y1 is minus 1. So plus 1. Okay, which is equal to x minus x1 is minus 1. So plus 1 divided by x2 is minus 1 plus 1. Okay, if you just write. Okay, now we'll simplify. So y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, that is equal to x plus 1 divided by 0. X plus 1 divided by 0 you are getting. Okay, so now we'll just cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, 0 is equal to 3x plus 3. So from this we can get what? 3x is equal to minus 3. So from this x is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer for the first subdivision. Okay. Now we'll go to the second subdivision. Second subdivision is the equation of the line is parallel to x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So line parallel to x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is what? X minus y will come as it is. Instead of this 5 you can put plus k, which is equal to 0. Here you can put k in the right hand side or also on the left hand side. Okay, anyway you can put. Okay, and this line passes through what? Point of intersection. The point of intersection is minus 1 comma 1. So let us substitute the point of intersection. Okay, so if you substitute this point here, what you will get? Minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus k, that is equal to 0. So minus 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. So what is the value of k? So you are getting k is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the line, equation of the line is, substitute k in this equation, so you will be getting x minus y is equal to 0. So this is the answer for the second subdivision. Now we'll go to the third subdivision. The third subdivision is that equation of the line is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you write perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So how will you write? You have to interchange the coefficient of x. So coefficient of y is minus 2. So let us put minus 2x. And then coefficient of 1 is x is 1. So I will put minus here, minus x. Okay, wow, minus x. And then for this constant, let me put k is equal to 0. Okay, again I am saying you can put k here or on the right hand side also. Anyway you can put. Okay, so this equation passes through the point of intersection, that is minus 1 comma 1. So if you substitute here, and it is y here, it is not x, it is y. Okay, so if you substitute this minus 1 comma 1, what you will get? If you put x is equal to minus 1, you will get 2 here. And then if you put y is equal to minus 1, it is plus 1 plus k equal to 0. So 3 plus k equal to 0. So from this k is equal to minus 3. So you substitute this value here in this equation. Therefore, the equation of the line is minus 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So you multiply this equation by minus. So you will be getting 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the answer for the third subdivision. Clear? Thank you.